Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9th Standard Subject English.
Dear children, hope you fine. Today we are going to learn poem 1 in Beehive, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Before we start, let me introduce the poem and the poet. The Road Not Taken is one of the finest poems of Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common ordinary experiences. This poem has a deep meaning. It deals with the problem of making a right choice. Many times in our life, we are faced with alternative choices when it is difficult to decide which one is to choose, but the decisions we take influence our future. Sometimes, after many years, we do repent for not choosing the right one. In this poem, the poet has beautifully symbolized the two roads, the careers we choose in our life. Now I'll read the first stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Here, diverged means separated and took a different direction. Wood means forest. Undergrowth, dense growth of plants and bushes. Now I'll explain the stanza. Two roads separated in two different directions. The poet is standing at a junction in a yellow forest where two roads separated in two different directions. He feels sorry because he is unable to travel on both the roads. He feels sorry for being the lonely traveler. Lonely means alone. He stands there for a long time to decide on which road he should choose to travel on. He is looking at the road down as far as he could. The road disappears from his eyes in bushes. Now I'll read the second stanza. Then took the other just as far, and having perhaps the better climb, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as farther the passing there had warned them really about the same. Fair means nice, climb means demand, grassy means full of grass. Now I'll explain the stanza. The poet chooses the other roads which is less traveled. He chooses this road because it is still grassy and has not worn off due to walking of the travelers. The phrase as just as far here means that the road is exactly the same and equally beautiful as the first one. The second road is grassy and wanted wear. It means the second road was grassy because it had not worn off due to walking of the travelers. However, at the end, he says that both the roads had been equally worn down by people walking on them. Now I'll read the third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Here, lay means placed horizontally. Trodden means walked over. No means to have some information. Doubt means uncertainty. Now I explain the stanza. The word both here refers to both the roads. They were covered with fallen leaves. The leaves had not been blackened by the travelers. The poet left the first road thinking that he would use it on some other day. The two roads represent two different options in our life. The poet was aware how one way leads to another. He would go so far on the first road that he doubted if I would ever come back to walk on the another one. Now I'll read the last stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Sigh means long deep breath. The poet is not happy with his choice. Here the word this refers to the poet's choice of the road. The poet will be telling with a sigh about the options that he has chosen. The phrase ages and ages hence means many years from now onwards. The last two lines of the poem contain the theme of the poem. I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. That means the poet opted for the road less traveled by. That was a challenging path. The decision he took had changed the direction of his life. So only he is telling this with a sigh. Through the poem, The Road Not Taken, the poet wants to tell us that in our life, when we have to make a choice out of many choices, we should be very careful to do so. Otherwise, if in a haste we make a wrong choice, in the long run, even our hard work does not yield as good result as if we had chosen a right one. Dear students, be careful to make a right choice in your life. Now it's time to do your homework. Prepare answers to these questions. Question number 1. Where does the traveler find himself? What problem does he face? Second question. Discuss what these phrases mean to you. Roman letter 1. A yellow wood. Roman letter 2. It was grassy and wanted wear. Roman letter 3. The passing there. Roman letter 4. Leaves no step had trodden black. Roman letter 5. How way leads on to way. That's all today, students. Thank you very much.